Today we are going to design a steel hanger in Blender. So here in the Google search steel hanger and you will see the different shapes of the steel hangers. So I am going to select this one and I am going to model this one. You can select anyone and with this method you can design it. So for the reference I am going to place this picture as a plane in the Blender and here you can see the keys and G and Z to move it here at this place. And the most of the time the hanger dimension are in the lengthwise it's like 38 centimeters. So I am going to select this plane and go to here on object data properties and opacity. I'm going to make it 0.75 and shift A and I am going to add a plane. And for the size of the plane here I am going to type 38 cm. So the plane size is 38 cm. I am going to push it backside G and Y to place it here. So here we have this small plane R X R X 90 and press 1. So you are in the front view. So this picture we have to make it small. And G Z place it here. So basically we are going to match this length. I'm going to see by placing it make it a little bit larger. Okay, so now this plane we want to make it unselectable. First I'm going to select this plane, press X to delete it, select this one and move it here near to this 3D cursor. Okay, and this plane we want to make it unselectable. So go here on this filter option and select this one selectable. And here I am going to uncheck this option. So now we are not able to select this plane. For the opacity, I am going to make it 0.5. Okay. Now we have to design it. So I am going to press Shift A to add a mesh, and the mesh we are going to add is a circle. And for this circle, under the add circle properties here under the vertices, I am going to make it 12, and we are going to rotate this around the x-axis or x and 90. Press 1 on your numpad. So you are in the front view. Now I am going to make this circle small, and basically for this circle I am going to place it here on this arc. So we are going to one circle here, here we have this arc shape, and also here and here. So 1 2 3 4 5 places we have this arc. We are going to uh, this circle. By using this circle we are going to make this arc. So G to place it here, S zoom, and G to place it like that. So here at this place, okay, S to make it small, G to move it and place it like that. And then press tab to go to the edit mode, and these vertices I am going to delete this one. So select this one, press X to delete these vertices and also this vertices. And for this one I am going to move it like that, and this one I am going to move it like that. So just make them straight. Okay, now select this one. So for this circle I added 12 vertices. You can add like 16. Then I'm going to select all of these vertices which we have here, shift D to duplicate it and place it here. And now we have to rotate it R Z and type 180 like that. So we this arc will be facing like that, and then press G to move it here like that, the same way we did for that. And I'm just going to move these vertices to just track this position like that. Again I am going to select these vertices, shift D, select this one, shift D to duplicate it, and then rotate it R Z and 180. And now I am going to place drag these points. So just place it here like that. This point, I am going to delete this vertices and G and move it like that. Okay. Now I'm going to select vertices of this corner, Shift D to duplicate it, and we are going to place it here and just drag this position. So select these two vertices, G to move it like that, and this vertices I am going to delete it. And this one I'm going to move it a little bit backward like that. Now select all of these vertices on this corner, Shift D to duplicate it and place it here. And now we have to rotate it like that and make sure you type 90. Okay, R and type 90. Now move it and place it here at this point, and we have to track this one. And for this one at this point, I'm going to place it like that, and then E to extrude it, and make sure you are extruded on the Z axis. Just drag these points. So basically it look like it's a circle. Now after that, we have to join all of these points. So this one, and press F to join them. Then select this point and press F to join them. This point and F to join them. And then we have this point and then F to join them. Now if you press 2 or you go here to select this edge mode, I'm going to select this edge and subdivide and type 5. And again this edge, subdivide, type 5. Again this edge, subdivide and type 4 here. Okay, and this one, subdivide, and just one is enough. Then press 1. So you are in the vertex selection mode. Just drag these points and make sure uh, it's look like a circle. So just make sure like it's looking like the circle. Okay, now I'm going to hide this reference. So we have the hanger like that. Now I'm going to select this one, and now this is a mesh. As we can see here, we have to convert it into a curve. So go to object, and here we can see we have here a convert option, and go to convert and convert it into curve. So now this become to a curve. So when it's in the curve, go here under these properties, under the object data properties, here you see geometry, and under the bevel you see here round object profile. So here you see the depth. So if we increase it, it will become a circular shape, like we are extruding it like that. If you have a profile, you can also make a profile and select here and then select the profile, but for me the round will work. Object will also do. If you make a object here and then select this one, it will extrude it following the shape of that object. So for the round, I go here we can increase the uh, resolution and go to modifier, and we can add a subdivision modifier for it and increase it, and shade smooth, select this one and shade smooth. Now you can see we have this. So now for this hanger, here you can see these top are open. So again, I'm going to apply the modifier. No, we cannot apply the modifier. Basically, we have to convert this curve. We have the curve here to mesh. So again, go to object and convert to mesh. No, this is converted to mesh. I'm going to apply the subdivision level 2, and just select this hanger, press tab to go to the edit mode. And here by pressing the alt, I'm going to select all of these, and then E and S like that, and then E and S like that, and then F to fill it. And again, for this top one, select all of these vertices, then press E and S like that, and then again E and then S and then F to fill it like that. Okay, so here we have this bevel. If you want, you can also add a loop, control R like that, and again control R and add this loop here. Okay, so we have this hanger. We can add the material for it. Go to material tab, new hanger, and here we have to select steel material like that. And for the metal, we are going to make it metal. So for the color, if you want it whitish like that, so this is a steel color, or you can say silver color hanger. So thank you so much, and then just control A to apply art transformation and uh, origin to geometry. So here we have this hanger. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.